take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah.
Hi guys, this is Diya and welcome back to my channel Mom and Me. So today I'm going to show you what my morning power hour speed cleaning looks like. So as soon as we're done with the breakfast, this is what I'll do. I'll set a timer for 1 hour and I'll attend to every room. So bedrooms, I will spend like no more than like 5 to 10 minutes each, and then kitchen is what will take me the most amount of time. So I'll start with the kitchen so that the majority of the work is done, and then go around all the rooms and clean them. So I hope you enjoy this video and give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So this is how my kitchen looks right now. There are toys on the floor, breakfast dishes, and a lot of random stuff on kitchen island. My kitchen island is like a magnet that attracts a lot of clutter. I like to want to keep it clean and clutter free at all times, but every few days it ends up like this. So let's get this baby sorted today so that we can get it dirty again.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah.
The small saplings that you see are actually chiku or sapodilla plant, which I was waiting to be in stock since so long now, and I finally got hold of them. I've never seen or found chiku fruit in the supermarkets in Sydney, and hopefully we will be able to eat it from our backyard in few years.
I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love.
My daughter is 4 and she's getting so much interested in household chores, especially during this lockdown time. She keeps telling me, "Mom, I want to be like you." She will take a dusting cloth and start dusting, or sometimes she will make rotis. I actually recently shared a video of my daughter making rotis on my Insta. If you haven't yet followed me on Insta, my handle is Diya Rajguru, so please go and follow me on my Insta. And today she decided she wants to help me in rinsing the dishes. Honestly, I did not wanted any help as it's quicker if I do, and also she ends up getting wet. But she just decided she does not want to give up, and today she actually requested very sweetly and I just could not deny her. So here she is doing rinsing the dishes, but actually I felt good as my little helper saved me little bit of time as I emptied the dishes while she was rinsing, and I filled the rack immediately. We were working simultaneously and it was kind of a good feeling.
Granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. twice away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch.
She also helps me pick her toys up from the floor before 8 p.m. every night before our robot vacuum starts, and right now actually she is helping me keep her little baby brother occupied in the playroom so that I can film this video. Kids are so precious and they care so much for their family. Seriously, it is so heart touching. Now I will use Jif cream to clean my stainless steel sink. I have been using this product since many years now, and it really shines up the steel appliances and the sink.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said.
Next, I'm going to clean the floors. Kitchen is a high traffic area and it gets really dirty, so I will vacuum and mop today.
But now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave.
I have to mention here that I have these chocolate tiles in my kitchen. I don't know what previous owners were thinking they installed them in the kitchen, but they're really nasty and I really don't like them as it has uneven surface and it holds a lot of dirt and dust because it has a lot of joints, and only a powerful suction vacuum can clean them. And my new Roborock head 6-stick vacuum is doing a great job. Finally, I got hold of a good vacuum that can actually get its job done, because otherwise I used to just use Indian broom onto my kitchen, and I have a stick vacuum, but I literally first would broom and then I would use the stick vacuum. It used to double up my work, but this Roborock head 6 does the job in one go, and I really am in love with it.
We could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
Also, I observed that as soon as I run the vacuum on the carpet, it kind of detects that now it's on a soft surface and automatically boosts the suction and easily lifts dirt and fine particles from the carpets. I think that is a really good feature too.
Stay with me now till the morning. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be?
As the suction lock button which helps keep suction on even if you have released the trigger. I think this is a good feature to avoid finger fatigue and also really helpful when dusting cars or high up areas. So now I'll mop the floors of the kitchen. I think rest of the house is pretty clean and only kitchen floor is dirty, so I will go ahead and mop the kitchen tiles.
We could do this right. We'll find a remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah.
Phew, majority of cleaning is done, and once kitchen is done and dusted, sometimes I would just stop here. It actually depends on how I'm feeling that day, but today I want to go ahead and spend at least 5 to 7 minutes in each bedroom. Just tidy them up, make bed, pick up the toys and any clothes that need to be laundered, and a quick vacuum. Making bed simply changes the mood and vibe of the room from a lazy to welcoming and organized. A clean and organized space really works up with my mood. Does it happen with you guys as well? Please share your thoughts in my community tab.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds. And as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes
Now onto my kids' playroom. The sheet is really dusty and I'm not sure if camera can pick this up, but the fur from the cushion sticks onto the bed sheet, and also my kids they were very naughty yesterday. They were shredding dried Play-Doh here yesterday and it got really dirty. So I want to get this changed and vacuum the room.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone. I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you, although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light a fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still, all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death of me, still you're missing. Yeah, I need it, I need it. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still, I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to.
I will also clean our sliding door tracks. Just want to get that perfection while cleaning floors. And thanks to Robo Rock Head 6, I can do that by using different attachment. This one here is dusting attachment, and you will be amazed to see what I am going to clean next.
Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another. Talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell.
This vacuum is very lightweight and it's actually only 1.4 kgs in weight, and is very convenient to clean higher places like this exhaust fan, for example. And today I decided to clean it. It's not been cleaned since ages now, actually 6 or 7 months, and I decided that I want to clean it today. And as you can see, it's really disgusting. It's very dirty, and I really want to see how better this vacuum cleaner can clean it with this dusting attachment. Okay guys, I think it's very satisfying to see it being clean. I want to show you a close up because once I was cleaning it, I was like, oh my god, I am loving it. And after it was filmed, I actually watched this footage several times, and I simply loved watching it from dirty to being cleaned. I don't know if this is OCD or what, but guys, you have to let me know. Do you guys love the feeling from clutter to clean, from dirty to clean? Do you guys love that feeling? And you would go over and over into that room and just enjoy being there? You have to tell me this. So go to my community section and you comment there, and I'll be more than happy to read your comments, and I really want to know how you guys feel. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video, and until then, bye bye.
Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories.